in this question, let's assume that let sin x minus cos x is equal to t, and let this be number 1. Now, differentiating with respect to x, sin x, that is cos x, plus sin x dx is equal to dt. Changing the limits, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1, and when x is equal to pi by 4, then t is equal to 0. Now, squaring equation 1, t square is equal to sin x minus cos x whole square. Now, this becomes t square is equal to sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. T square is equal to 1 minus sin 2x, sin 2x, okay. And now sin 2x is equal to sin 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. Now let's put all the values in the question. The question becomes minus 1 to 0 dt upon 9 plus 16 1 minus t square, okay. Now this becomes minus 1 to 0 dt upon 25 minus 16 t square, 1 upon 16 common, minus 1 to 0 dt upon 25 by 16 minus t square. One upon 16 minus 1 to 0 dt upon 5 upon 4 whole square minus t square. Now here we are going to use a formula, that is integration of dx upon a square minus x square is equal to, a square is what? 5 upon 4 whole square. So it is 1 upon 2a log mod of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Okay. Now this formula we are going to use here. This is equal to 1 upon 16 with 1 upon 2 into 5 by 4 log mod of 5 upon 4 plus t upon 5 upon 4 minus t on minus 1 to 0. Is it clear? Using this formula here, okay. Now this becomes 1 upon 40 log, now 5 by 4 plus 0 upon 5 by 4 minus 0. One thing, minus log 5 by 4 minus 1 upon 5 by 4 minus, this becomes plus 1. Is it clear? Putting minus 1 in this part. Now this is equal to 1 upon 40 log 1 upon 40 log 1 minus log. Now this becomes 1 upon 4 upon 9 upon 4. 1 upon 40 log 1 minus log 3 square. Log 1 is 0. Minus log, this is 1 upon 9, 1 upon 3 minus 2. Okay. Now this becomes 1 upon 40 into 2 log 3, and this is equal to 1 upon 20 log 3. This is the answer.